Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be looking at the top 10 fiber-rich veggies. Let's get started. There are two main types of fiber, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel. It slows the digestion of food and helps manage blood sugar and lower cholesterol. Soluble fiber is found in foods like psyllium, oats, and beans. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve in water and acts more like roughage. It keeps things moving through your digestive tract and promotes a healthy gut. Insoluble fiber is found in foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Now let's look at the top 10 fiber-rich veggies. Number 1. Asparagus. Asparagus is a true multitasker when it comes to fiber. Its soluble fiber content helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, while its insoluble fiber keeps your digestive system regular. Soluble fiber has been shown to help manage blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream. This is important for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent the disease. In one study, eating asparagus was shown to reduce blood sugar levels by up to 20%. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is another vegetable that is high in both types of fiber. The American Institute for Cancer Research has reported that eating broccoli has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. 1 cup of raw broccoli contains approximately 5 grams of total fiber, which is about 20% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Number 3. Brussels sprouts. These little cabbages are packed with nutrients and fiber. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming Brussels sprouts can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Carrots. Carrots are a good source of dietary fiber, containing about 3 grams of fiber per 100 grams of carrots. This is about 12% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Carrots also contain beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body and supports healthy vision. Number 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be prepared in many different ways. It's a good source of fiber, vitamins C and K, and folate. 1 cup of raw cauliflower contains approximately 3 grams of fiber, which is about 12% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Number 6. Green beans. Green beans are a low-calorie, high-fiber vegetable. They're a good source of vitamins A, C, K, and several minerals. 1 cup of green beans contains about 5 grams of fiber, which is about 20% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Number 7. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a good source of vitamin C and fiber. 1 medium bell pepper contains approximately 3 grams of fiber, which is about 12% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients. It's a good source of fiber, vitamins A, C, K, and folate. 1 cup of cooked spinach contains approximately 5 grams of fiber, which is about 20% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a starchy vegetable that contains a significant amount of fiber. 1 medium sweet potato contains approximately 3 grams of fiber, which is about 12% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of vitamin A and several antioxidants. Number 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked. They're a good source of fiber, vitamin C and lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to have several health benefits. 1 cup of raw tomatoes contains approximately 2 grams of fiber, which is about 8% of the daily recommended intake for adults. And there you have it, our top 10 fiber-rich veggies. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos about nutrition and healthy living. Have a wonderful day.